The Delhi government has issued a global tender for the purchase of 1 crore vaccines for COVID-19. The last date for the bid is the 7th of June. The vaccine has to be one which is approved by the Drug Controller General of India. Now let's go across to Arvind. So the tender, so we can expect international vaccines now, whether there is Pfizer or Moderna or the other ones that could like such as Johnson & Johnson available in the country, especially in Delhi, now that the government has issued a global tender for the purchase of 1 crore vaccines.
Divya, Delhi is the new latest entrant in issuing global tenders for the procurement of COVID vaccine. In fact, the Delhi government has issued a global tender for the procurement of 1 crore doses of COVID vaccine, and the global tender has been issued. So the last date of applying for the tender is June 7th. So what interesting details that we have found from this particular tender is that they have asked for the 1 crore doses of COVID vaccine. All those vaccines that have been cleared by approved by the Drug Controller General of India can apply for this particular tender, and the schedule and the supply schedule is also very interesting. It is the Delhi government has asked the bidders to give an undertaking that they could supply schedule delivery within a span of 45 days. So what Delhi government is looking for is they are looking for the global procurement of COVID vaccine, 1 crore COVID vaccine doses within a span of 45 days. So this is the global tender which Delhi government has issued now. Earlier we saw more than 15 states issuing a similar kind of global tender, opting for global procurement of COVID vaccine, whereas after they face acute shortage of vaccine doses in the domestic market. So it is also interesting. It comes just 2 days after the central government itself issued a statement in the form of myth and facts, where they said that the global tenders are not yielding good results because there is a shortage of supply in global market also. So after center statement, what we are seeing is that the Delhi government has also issued a global tender, but we are response from the bidders. Divya?
Right, Arvind, thank you so much for joining us with those details. We will keep coming back to you for more.